Hey guys, welcome back. Another opening box video, unboxing Threadbeast again. So we're going to unbox it and see what we get this time. Alright, so we're just gonna get started. I'm trying to make a clear space as much as possible. And we're gonna start now. So here's the box. Same box. Looks a little bit bigger. A lot heavier than last time. This was about, I think, 3 pounds worth of clothes. So there's definitely more clothes in here than last time. I'm going to open it up. Always be careful with knives. And we'll see what we get this time. Alright, open that. Put the knife away. Let's see what we got. Alright. Free package giveaway. Alright. Came with another sticker. Alright. That's one. Alright. I know that... Okay. First of all, I ain't mad. I mean, I could see the paper was ripped open because the box is full. But now they sent me this. TB Weekly. Free package giveaway rules. Follow Threadbeast on Instagram. Already do. Post a photo of your package on your Instagram. Okay, maybe I will. Tag Threadbeast at Threadbeast, hashtag Threadbeast and TB Weekly, and get creative. We will choose one winner per week. Must follow rules to win. Winning post will be featured on Threadbeast Instagram stories. Alright, let's see what we got. I think this might be the same package. Okay, well, no, whatever. Alright, first off, free sticker. Well, anyone wants stickers, so that's good. Alright, this shirt looks really small, but I got a shirt from Fox. Might be a little too dark, but yeah, we'll show it later. Got plaid shirt. This is dope. Love it. Another hoodie. This is nice and light. Great. Pants is gonna be a problem. This is a 32. My ass is a size 31. Alright. Hopefully I can fit in these. I mean, I don't know. We'll try. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Alright. Rose cap. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, that's that. Oh, cool. Brand new belt. Might have to get some holes stapled in. Or punched hole punched in. Alright, that's dope. Put the small things here. Socks. Beige. Oh, two colored. These are dope. Yeah. Great. And so the last thing I get is a bag. It feels like there's something inside here. So this is a bag from 015. Zipper was opened a little bit. It's stuck. Alright, let's just open this up. Great. Oh, just the strap. Extra strap that comes with it to sling it over. This is like good for carrying like your personal shit. Carry-on bag if you want. Let's see. Oh, that's basically it. bag is like pretty small. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is my review for Threadbeast box number 2. I would love to do more just because like you never know what you're getting inside. Also because I chose mix and match, so I mix and match my shit because I don't like preppy type clothing anymore. I used to. And yeah, pretty much that's the haul from Threadbeast. Thank you guys so much. I'll post a photo. Peace.